Bonjour Cathy, bonjour Katie. Voici Say It with a French Accent. Voilà, on avait fait, je crois que c'était la page 12. Hop, 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 hop. Voilà. On avait fait faire, to do, to make. Donc c'est l'un des verbes les plus importants à maîtriser dans la langue française. D'accord? Donc on va le conjuguer je fais, tu fais, il fait, elle fait, on fait, nous faisons, it's like we have e instead of ai, nous faisons, vous faites, ils font. So we can use faire in so many different situations. And the first one is when we talk about the weather. Okay? So quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? Quelle température fait-il aujourd'hui? What temperature is it today? Il fait chaud ou froid. Il fait beau, il fait frais, il fait doux, il fait mauvais, il fait du soleil, il fait 35 degrés, il fait du vent, etc., etc. So, you know that we can talk about the weather without having to use il fait. We can also say il pleut, il neige, c'est nuageux, so c'est is used in the following weather context. C'est nuageux, c'est orageux, c'est humide. You know that the H are not really pronounced in French, so it's like we go directly to the vowel. So we say c'est humide. Il y a is also used in the following weather expressions. Il y a du vent, il y a du brouillard, il y a une tempête, il y a une tempête de neige, il y a des nuages. So we use the verb être when talking about time. Many confuse the word temps for clock time. Quelle heure est-il is like what hour is it? What time is it? Okay. So we can also talk about the sports, okay, activities, sport activities. Je fais du yoga, je fais du tennis. That is play is jouer. So I can say je joue au tennis. Je joue, so it's like J-O-U-E, O et U, tennis. Je joue au tennis ou je fais du tennis. Je fais du vélo. I ride a bicycle. I bicycle. Okay. Je fais du vélo. It's like I practice. I cycle. I do cycling. Okay. We mostly use jouer to play for team sports. Je joue au foot. Well, we can also jouer au tennis. That's also the same. Okay. We can also use faire for when we play an instrument. So je fais du violon. We can also say je joue. Okay. Je joue au violon. Je fais du piano. Je joue au piano. Je fais de la guitare et je joue. Je joue à la guitare. Je fais de la guitare. Okay. So both are fine, basically. Je fais du bricolage. Bricolage is odd jobs. Okay, I do odd jobs or home improvement, DIY. Okay, and we can also use it for faire des économies. I'm saving some money, so I'm sparing money. I'm saving money. Okay, so we'll continue that the next time. Coming back to the transcript. Quel jour sommes-nous aujourd'hui? Nous sommes le dimanche 26 janvier. Okay. Quel jour étions-nous hier? What day were we yesterday? Nous étions le samedi 25 janvier. Quel jour serons-nous demain? Nous serons le lundi 27 janvier. Okay, so it's like, what is the day today? What day were we yesterday? What day will be tomorrow? Quel jour serons-nous demain? Nous serons le lundi 27 janvier. So that was done yesterday. Quelle température fait-il? Il fait 6 degrés Celsius ici. So that was morning, Sunday morning for me. So it was still a bit cold, but after we reached 22. So il fait 20 degrés à Dubaï. Il fait chaud, il fait froid. Quelle heure est-il à Dubaï maintenant? Il est 17 heures maintenant. Ou 5 heures de l'après-midi. Est-ce que tu as entendu parler du coronavirus? Okay. I'll send you Le Monde and all this stuff. It's so weird because, well, they're all like controversial stories. I don't know if it's here. I don't think so. There is like a French website talking about a laboratory in Wuhan where that was built in 2018, and they have like it's like a P4 level laboratory. That means they have like very dangerous, very dangerous viruses. Okay, so we still have a difference between a microbe, a germ, and a virus. Virus pretty hard to destroy. So, and I had it somewhere, but I'll send you the link a bit. Ah, maybe that's here. Okay, yeah, there we go. And they're talking about a military laboratory in Wuhan that was that was built in 2018, and yeah, so an Italian journalist discovered this truth. He works on the TGCOM24. His name is Paolo Ligioli. He talked about that. So yeah, so they found the first cases. They were found in the seafood market about 30 kilometers away from the laboratory. Okay, after they found stuff from the other market. And so, well, you know, of course, this animal market, is disgusting. I mean, you cannot say something else. It's horrible. There is blood everywhere. It's horrible. Poor animals. And yeah, and probably it's also a distraction. You know, it's just like, oh, look over there, but meanwhile we're doing something else. You know, I don't know. Maybe I'm completely far from the truth. Who knows? But I'll send you the link. Well, actually, you can find the link. It's here. It's fl24.net. Okay. So, voilà, on revient là. Donc, have you heard of? It's like, tu as entendu, it's like, have you heard talk about the coronavirus? So, on speaking. So we have to hear and to speak. Have you heard people talking about it, in a sense? Okay. Donc, il y a déjà 6 cas à Hong Kong. Il y a, des cas. Un cas, des cas. Attention. Donc, one case, 2 cases in English. Attention à it's. It's, ça peut être c'est, il fait, il est, elle est. Okay? So, il y a une boulangerie dans mon quartier, elle est grande. So there is a bakery in my neighborhood. It is big. So it is can be il est, elle est, il fait, c'est. Can be a lot of stuff. Depending on what we talk about, obviously. And j'ai un livre sur Victor Hugo. Il est génial. I have a book about Victor Hugo. It is great. So, il est, it is. Elle est, it is. C'est, it is. Selon, according to. Selon moi, according to me. I forgot the T. It's nice when I make the videos and notice my mistakes. So, in my opinion, selon moi, selon elle, according to her, selon lui, according to him, eh bien, well, eh bien, ben, bien. We say that a lot in French. En fait, in fact, it's like, you would say like, in fact, I don't really like chocolate. En fait, je n'aime pas vraiment le chocolat. Okay? The French adore using this expression as well. Je ne fais rien, I'm not doing anything, or I do nothing. So faire, I just talk about it, okay? We have all the different expressions, etc. So the scenario on page 15, you have the audio, okay? So I can just do it as well if you want, that's no problem. So page 15, la page 15. Deux hommes parlent dans une cour d'école pendant qu'ils attendent leurs enfants qui vont bientôt sortir de classe. So they're talking to each other in a school courtyard, I guess. while waiting for their kids who will get out pretty soon from school, from their class, from their course. Salut Patrick, il fait froid aujourd'hui. Oui, il fait mauvais. Sur mon thermomètre à la maison, il fait moins 2 degrés. Eh bien, selon le mien, il fait 0 degré. Alors, qu'est-ce que tu fais aujourd'hui? Ben, well, je ne fais rien de spécial aujourd'hui. Je vais faire le ménage et faire la soupe. Et toi? Je vais faire un peu la même chose parce que je vais faire les courses et la lessive. Ce n'est pas très intéressant, mais bon, il faut faire un effort pour aider les femmes. Et oui, c'est vrai, on va faire un tennis ce vendredi? Ah oui, super bonne idée. J'ai besoin de faire un peu de sport, moi aussi. Je fais trop la cuisine en ce moment. Tu veux faire la réservation cet après-midi? D'accord, je la fais. Ah, voici les enfants qui arrivent. Ils ont fait de la gym aujourd'hui. Ok? Voilà. So, this is just an introduction, but when you have a sentence, subject, verb, complement, je fais la réservation, we know it's feminine because it starts with la, well, I can replace the whole thing by la and bring it before the verb. Je la fais. Ok? Je fais la soupe, je la fais. Je fais le ménage, je le fais. Je vais faire le ménage, so I'm going to. Je vais le faire. Je vais faire la soupe, je vais la faire. So it's considered to be like some kind of a semi-auxiliary verb, so we don't really touch it here. Je vois un oiseau, je vois un oiseau. I see a bird. Je le vois. So if I see many birds, je vois les oiseaux, I see the birds. Je les vois. Voici, voilà, it's the same, that means the same basically. It's just voici is a little bit more formal, I would say. So, voilà, voilà mon ami, here's my friend. Voici mon ami, to say, here's my friend. Okay. Est-ce que tu aimes aller dans les parfumeries à Paris? Do you like going to the perfumeries in Paris? Non, pas vraiment. No, not really. If you go to Grasse, it's not too far from Cannes, I guess, you have different perfume museum. Very nice. I like the quality. That doesn't mean you have to spend a lot of money. Okay, so if you want a Chanel and all this stuff, it's okay, but it's not really my cup of tea. I like the natural products made with essential oils. Very simple ingredients, but at the same time high quality. So you have the museum called le Musée Fragonard, Musée international de la parfumerie. So I went with my grandparents and I don't remember who else, and it was very nice. Yeah, I was a kid and I visited this museum the first time. Doux, mild. Doux can also be translated by the adjective soft. Est-ce qu'il y a du brouillard à Dubaï? Fog, is it foggy? Parfois, sometimes, de temps en temps, time to time. Est-ce qu'il y a beaucoup de nuages à Dubaï? Oui, il y a des nuages. Oui, il y a beaucoup de nuages. Every time you use an expression, quantity, beaucoup de. Il y en a. So here we're not talking about le lalé, we're talking about une des, okay? Il y a du fromage, there is cheese, il y en a. Il y a du lait, there is milk, il y en a. Okay, we use the same expression. So it's like there is some, or there are some. So, est-ce qu'il y a beaucoup de vent? Oui, il y a du vent. Il y a beaucoup de vent à Dubaï. Est-ce que tu fais la cuisine? Oui. Et tu m'as dit, tu m'as dit, j'aime préparer les nouilles, noodles. Quel type de cuisine aimes-tu préparer? Est-ce que tu cuisines? Ok. So, we talked about the different ramen, and so there are different styles. Mais j'aime bien le pho, c'est épicé, it's spicy. Est-ce qu'il y a des restaurants mexicains à Dubaï? Tu m'as dit oui. Est-ce que tu aimes la nourriture épicée, spicy food? C'est quoi la cuisine de Dubaï?